This video will show you how to connect Claude Desktop to a local WordPress installation using an MCP server. The first step is to install the MCP Adapter. After installing this package, WordPress will register a new MCP server that AI agents can connect to. Technically, this plugin exposes WordPress abilities as MCP tools, resources, and prompts for AI agents. Then we create a custom plugin and mark some WordPress core functionalities as abilities exposed for MCP, specifically the ability to get site information, user information, and environment information. Now let's start connecting WordPress with Claude Desktop. To do this, open the Settings, go to the Developers tab, and click Edit Config. This will open the folder with the JSON configuration file. Open this file and enter the configuration used to connect it with our local WordPress. Let's see line by line what this configuration does. First, the WordPress command line tool is executed using PHP. Then, we define the path to the WordPress installation. Next, we call the MCP Adapter command that the plugin registers. The serve command starts a long-running process, so it keeps running in the background. After that, we select the default server provided by the MCP Adapter plugin. The command is executed as the admin user. And finally, we set a timeout to make sure Claude doesn't stop the process too early. When you finish, save and close the file, then restart Claude Desktop. This is necessary to let the application load the new settings. Once you have restarted, you can check if it is set up correctly by going again to the Settings and then to the Developers tab. Here you will see a blue label that says Running. This means Claude is properly connected to the MCP server. Now we can verify if the abilities exposed as MCP tools work correctly. Proceed to the chat and ask what abilities are available. Finally, I'm going to request environment information to verify that these abilities are working. Now that you know the basics, you can connect WordPress to any AI agent by adapting the configuration based on the specific requirements of that agent.